So I am all done and decided to... What just happened? No! My cord must have been breaking. Great. All right, I decided to check in quickly and chat with you about this backdrop. I'm all done and finished, and I think it looks great and absolutely different from every other video that I posted on my channel, just because I'm not using fabric. Yay! It is completely different for me just using fabric and not having that base in the back. So anyways, I took my harp string and tied strings from the top of my pipe frame and let it drop all the way down to the ground and start gluing my feathers. So I started with a feather that would face towards you, and then glue one on the right side and the left side, and again facing towards you. And I did all this technique all the way down to the bottom. And for every color I used 120 pieces of paper, and I think it's worth it. I mean, keep in mind, amount of paper and feathers that you need to make will depend on how high is your frame, or how high you decide to make your backdrop, how full you want to make your strings with feathers, and how wide is your backdrop. I hope you will enjoy this backdrop, and in the comments down below, let me know what you think and what kind of DIYs and tutorials you guys want to see on my channel. And just like and share. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all back in my next video. Bye bye.